Wow, look at this, guys. All right, we just got to Newport Beach, and we're already starting to see some of the most incredible real estate ever. And those aren't even houses, man. Those are like little fucking apartment style or like condos. We got BMW. Shout out to Beamer. That's gonna be my next car, man. One of those gorgeous i8s. All right, guys, we're heading towards Balboa now. I'm gonna show you guys Balboa Island and some of the properties that are right around Balboa. Because let me tell you, they ain't cheap. We got the McLaren dealership. Hey, yo. You're already starting to see up on these hills right here. You got some pretty nice real estate. Nothing too fancy. You know, it's just probably maybe a couple 100,000, maybe some in the low millions. Probably got some apartment style places up there. But wait till you guys see what's past Mariner's Mile. I never know if it's Marina or Mariner's Mile, but either way, we're heading straight. All right, guys, so I hope you guys are all having a great week. It's Tuesday. It feels like a Friday just because we've all been in quarantine for so fucking long. And honestly, I'm kind of losing my shit because it's like everyone is just so like scared of this COVID thing. And look, I think it's totally legit. Like, people are dying of COVID. You got to be safe. You got to be careful. But it's just like, to what extent do you stop living your life, right? Like, to what extent do you stop doing the things that you want to do? So I've just been kind of still going about my life. You know, I always got my mask on me at all times, of course, just because I don't want to get caught up, and I don't want to be the reason, you know, why someone's grandma or fucking someone's Auntie Sally like passes away from COVID. Like, I really don't want to be the reason for that. So I'm going to stay responsible, but you know, I'm staying distanced, and I'm kind of just been doing my own thing. So yeah, guys. All right, guys, we're heading to Balboa. We're almost there. This view, oh my God, look at this. It's crazy. Shout out to Mercedes, by the way, for cleaning up the car and making it shiny. Oh, also, so up here on the right, we're gonna see a Porsche dealership, we're gonna see a Bentley dealership, and we're gonna see an Audi dealership all in one. Look at all those Bentleys. Look at those. Holy shit. Look at those views. All right, guys, so we're pulling in on the right into, oh, I'm sorry, guys, that's the wrong turn. After the promontory point, we're gonna be pulling into Balboa here on the right.